Okay folks, I'm going to show you guys how to make a super simple, easy video for open house in case a few of you guys are utilized for this open house video and also for some videos to share in the classroom using PowerPoint. So what I'm going to do is open up Teams. Down at the bottom here I have activity, chat, Teams, assignments, and calendar. Calendar is actually where you're going to schedule your Teams meeting, and you're going to schedule this Teams meeting with yourself. So I'm just going to call this I'm going to call it open, and what I'm going to do is actually type in my own email here. Okay, hit done. So I'm going to hit done. And so you have Ty Sty here as organizer, and then you also have Ty Sty at Gmail is been asked to join that meeting via email. So I'm gonna hit join. Okay, mic is on, video is on. Raise my hand. You can blur out the background, that's kind of neat. Main thing I'm going to do though is hit share, and here I have share photo, video, and screen, but PowerPoint's the one that I'm and down at the bottom is where you can select and go through your slides, and this is the way that you can guide through your open house video. Obviously you're going to have your face on there as well, but being able to go back and forth to your PowerPoint when talking about different things on your agenda might be very nice. So I'm going to click this arrow, curriculum agenda, back out, and hit stop presenting down at the bottom, and that'll come right back out to my face as long as I hit the camera at the bottom. And so as long as you have your ideas laid out for what you want to talk about, Teams would be a really nice way to be able to present all the things or any ideas that you have for your open house videos, and even go over a lot of content inside the classroom. And a lot of you guys probably already know how to do this stuff, but for those of you that this might be new for, might be a cool technique or skill that you can utilize. Office.com and sign in. I'm signed in already. You'll be able to get into all of the apps that Microsoft has. And again, anything that you shoot in Teams when you record the screen is going to upload via Microsoft Stream. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Stream, and I'm going to click at the top. It says My Content here, and then it's going to be videos, and here's my open house video right there, and click on open house engineering, and there's probably going to be a little bit of space at the beginning and the end of your video. So I'm going to click, I'm going to hit this 3 ellipses here down at the bottom, the other hit mic. Trim video. And down at the bottom here, you basically have a timeline. You can't cut anything in the middle. You can, or the front side and the back side of your clip. So what I'm going to do is just kind of tighten this up a little bit. It looks like I started talking right there. And it looks like the end of the video. Might be right around there. You know, you can watch where you're at. Different Make sure that you're cutting it in the right spots. Once you cut your clip, it's final. You can't go back and lengthen it back up. So what I'm going to do is hit up in the upper left hand corner is apply, continue, and that's going to save the new changes. Okay. So Stream is pretty neat. It's great for sharing and sharing with your class. You can send out a link onto Schoology very easily through Stream, but it doesn't share well with OneDrive, and we actually needed these files to go into OneDrive if we're going to be able to share these with Megan so that she can download them and then upload them to YouTube. Because right now the sharing permissions are view only, so Megan won't be able to do anything with these videos if you share them directly through Stream. So what I'm going to say is, and it's a little bit of a wraparound way to do this, is you're going to have to click this, the 3 dots on the side, and you're going to have to click download video. So it's going to start to download. Once you go to OneDrive and click upload. Okay, so I have this one right here. So I'm now uploading that file. It's asking me if I want to share that link. And this is very important over here on the left hand side. It says send link. People you specify can edit. There should be some options in here. Okay, there it is right down at the bottom. We want to make sure that allow editing is on if she is to download this. So I'm going to apply this. It says people you specify can edit. So